Hello, this is Mike from Mike's Good Stuff, and as it is April Fool's, all of the great tech companies are having fun at our expense, so to speak. So, I'm here to show you one of the most clever ones that actually didn't get enough attention as far as I'm concerned. It's actually from Microsoft. I'm running this on a Nokia 925, but Microsoft is going back to basic, so to speak. Actually, more in reality. They launched this new app called MS-DOS Mobile. It pretty much does exactly what you would expect. Goes to a C-DOS prompt here. And it actually is fairly functional, surprisingly enough. You can actually just double tap on the screen, start typing things. You can see the commands that are available to you. CD for changing directory. You can change the console colors, apparently. I'm actually going to check that out real quick. Sorry, it's hard for me to type while I'm staring at the other screen that's recording this at the moment. Probably have to use some sort of color command there. I'll play with that later. But you also have options like mem, which gives you your memory, free space, all that kind of stuff. And we have time. We have date. But we also have some other really cool stuff that you can play around with as well. For instance, you can actually do a bunch of commands like if you type in contacts, it'll open up your contacts list. If you do, let's open up the text box again here. If you do maps, it'll load up the maps application. Nothing super exciting there. However, you can also do email. If you do email space the email address, let's do Mike's Good Stuff at outlook.com. I'll open up this delightful little text box, and you can type in say hello world. And then, let's say done. Open up your little share thing here. You just go to Hotmail. And there it is. The email. You can send it as I'm going to. And let's see. You can also do, you can even... The shield is down! Yeah. Thanks, Akbar. So you can see. Happy Fool's Day. All right. You can also use SMS and the phone number, or let's see, phone and a phone number, and it'll actually call or text people from the screen. Supposedly you can use Cortana. I just haven't been able to really get that to work. Yeah, so, but you can do this. You can hit search. It'll ask you what's your search terms. You just do search April Fool's Day, and I spelled that wrong. Okay. April Fool's Day. And that'll open up a Cortana search for April Fool's Day, which I won't indulge here, but that's it. And you can also open up the market. If you go to internet.exe, Okay. Sorry, I'm moving cables here. So let's go back to the MS-DOS Mobile. But there's a lot of other stuff you can play around with here too. If you go to Directory, dir, you see that there's a bunch of stuff here. Let's see, we can actually go to CD games. The directory there. There is a folder called RPS, so let's go CD RPS. And we have another one called rps.exe, so let's do rps.exe. Please select audio settings. If you select one, and Cortana suggests using Sound Blaster instead. Okay, fine. We'll use 2.
That's better.
And they'll ask which mode we want to do. Let's do CGA or Tandy.
Keeping it simple. I like that.
No, mouse driver loaded.
I can't remember the last time I used a mouse with a touch screen. Try running touch.com instead.
Okay, fine, Cortana.
Great job. Now try rps.exe.
Not
That's
enough.
odd. 640k ought to be enough for anyone. Run the mem command to see how much memory we've got.
Oh, I guess she wasn't ready yet. Mem.
Okay. Move the touch driver into the free upper memory. Type load hitouch.com. Great job. Type rps.exe and we should be ready to play.
What is this? Choose your fighter. Let's go with Rock. Oh no! KO'd. Alright, let's try scissors this time. Oh no! I'm gonna get owned again. Man. Alright, well anyway, that's enough of that. Alright, let's close out. Go back in for a second. And I think that was it. Oh, right, there's one other thing. Camera. Which, by the way, you can actually see all of these commands. Let's actually go further into the directory real quick. What am I doing? dir. And you can actually go into whoa, if I can type correctly. Programs. Okay. And then Office doesn't really have anything, so you have to go phone, dir. And you can actually see all of the stuff that's runnable here. SMS, search.exe, review.exe will actually review the app. Phone, market, maps, internet, contacts, email, and there's also camera. So let's run that. And I'll show you what it does. It's actually pretty funny. You can also run this by typing camera in the beginning too. So you can't see anything right now, but this is an ASCII camera. You can also switch the modes to black and white mode, CGA, which looks gorgeous. Can even use the front camera as well, which I'm currently hiding behind another phone here. And then you can snap a picture. Save. And then if you go into your Photos app here, see I already took one earlier. There it is right there. MS-DOS Mobile 1.0. Copyright Microsoft Mobile 2015. There's my ASCII photo there. It's adorable. Anyway, who knew Microsoft would make a functional DOS prompt on Windows Phone? It's hilarious. You know, not fully functional, but it's still amusing. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks. Except that's not it, because I forgot something. So let me show you one more thing real quick. If you actually type in, well, not E, but WIN, win, from the C prompt there, it actually loads up Microsoft Windows 3.1. Then obviously not the real stuff. Like, these buttons don't work, but that will pull up the internet. It's all the same commands as before. Oops. Where'd it go? There it goes. All right. It's all the same commands as before: review, marketplace, maps, media player, mail, contacts, all that kind of stuff. But kind of fun. You just hit the back button to go back. Okay, now I'm done. Thanks.